in Greek thinking, it was very dualistic. And so the idea, which the gospel preached, that God became flesh was offensive to them. Because no God would ever do that. No God would ever step into this filth of this earth and this human flesh. No God would do that. So they would reject the gospel message because it didn't line up with their worldview. So look what these two individuals did. It says they started preaching that the resurrection had already taken place. Because if it was offensive to them that God would take on flesh, how much more offensive was it that at some point God would not only take on flesh, but that God would resurrect the dead, which is the end of the story, that God resurrects all to life. That's even more offensive. So these two individuals, they start preaching, oh no, don't worry. The resurrection's already taken place. As in what you see happening right here is God's will already. It's already happened. What were they doing? They were making the gospel less offensive to the culture of the time. Because the truth of the gospel was offensive, so they said, let's tweak some stuff and make life as it already is okay so that people are able to receive the gospel a little bit more.